Like, subscribe, and share video lessons of our channel. The first word for today's lesson is conceal. Its meaning is not to show something, to prevent it from being seen or noticed. The synonyms of this word can be hide, bury, and screen. Let's look at the examples. Example 1. Door handles of new Tesla Cybertruck are concealed in the driver's smartphone. Example 2. Students mustn't conceal their personal problems at school. Teachers are accountable to solve any issue related to their education. Example 3. In Japanese animes, you can see ninjas concealing their weapons underneath their clothes. The second word for today's lesson is revelation. It's a noun which is made of the verb reveal, and its meaning is the act of making something known or the fact that's made known. Example 1. Revelations about billionaire philanthropist Mackenzie Scott's private life appeared in the New York Times. Example 2. Every year, thousands of people around the world look forward to revelation of new products of Apple Inc. For example, this year, they have waited for the revelation of iPhone 14 Pro Max models. Sometimes revelation comes in a phrasal verb, like come as a revelation or be a revelation. In this case, its meaning is to be an extremely pleasant surprise. Look at the examples. Example 1. If all wars in the world ended, it would come as a complete revelation to humankind. Example 2. I guess scholarship by Stanford University was an astonishing revelation for Sundar Pichai and his parents. The last word for today's lesson is denounce. Denounce means to criticize someone or something publicly and strongly. Example 1. We must denounce any invasion and oppression of a state over other sovereign nations. Example 2. Leaders of democratic societies are denounced severely if they fail making critical decisions. Keep watching our video lessons in order to build up your academic vocabulary. As well as hitting the like button, please share them with your friends. See you in the next lesson.